And we find that, mashallah, the Muslim Ummah in many parts of the world, they are following the sunnah of the Prophet, that in times of calamity, we have to read Dua Qunoot or Nazila. And we can do that in all 5 salah. In the last rakah, after ruku, when we get up, the Prophet, the sunnah, that in times of calamity, he prayed to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. After getting up from ruku, in the last rakah of all the fard salah, we do dua. Dua Qunoot, Dua Nazila, and Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. We find that different parts of the world people are praying, especially in Malaysia. MashaAllah, in most of the mosques, 5 times a day, we find that people are doing Dua Qunoot and they are praying for the Palestinian brothers and sisters. And we are praying in Jama'ah that may Allah give them sabr, may Allah elevate them, and may He take away their suffering. May He grant Jannat al-Firdaus to the people who have been martyred, and may He give them victory.